Did you know that you can turn any part of your video into a sticker on iPhone that's running iOS 26? In today's video, we'll be showing you how to do just that. So follow my steps. I'll open the Photos app on my iPhone, and then I'm going to open a video from which I want to create a sticker. So that can be any object in the video. Maybe that's a person, a pet, a car, or anything else. It really doesn't matter. I have a car video as an example. And let's say I want to create a sticker from this and then send it in WhatsApp, Instagram, or other places. All I have to do is to long press on the sticker 1 or 2 times. The phone will then analyze this and create a cutout. A couple of options will appear, and we're interested in this Add Sticker option. So this will then add the sticker to my collections in the keyboard, and I can then start using them. If you need more iPhone and iOS 26 tutorial videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to App Tutor for more updates. Thanks for watching, everyone.